it's from Fast and Furious, right, Tommy?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so it's I remember the thing from Fast and Furious. When we see this, that means we're going into like one of those things.
He's a lovely man.
I've watched some of Fast and Furious. I watched some of them.
Oh, this is insane.
Yeah. We're about to go in. We're just waiting.
Yeah. The edge of his world in the unforgettable ending of Paramount's The Truman Show.
Or any day now.
Yeah, I know, right?
It's time to head inside.
We're going in. Oh, where are we going?
Where are we going?
Inside. Oh, we're going fast. Oh, we're going fast. We're going fast.
I've seen a tow truck like that before in my life, and I've seen Mater
Oh, shoot.
a little further ahead. That looks like
Here we
an
go,
assault
Elliot.
vehicle.
Yeah, here we
Imagine
go.
what you could do with that in LA traffic.
Oh,
You've been recording this entire time?
no, I just started a new video.
They just got here.
Oh, shoot, the door's closed.
Well, listen, hello, beautiful people, particularly you right there missing the third world. How you doing? My name is Roman Pierce.
Roman?
Nice to meet you. Buddy Hobbs asked us to stash you with Shaw for a while. We brought you in our secret spot.
Right.
We're having a few friends over, it's a little messy, but it's all good. The more the merrier. Especially you right there in that third row of the center. That's Hobbs Urban. Best truck the U.S. government can buy.
All right, let's just start the ride now.
It's made by my man Ted. Think of it as like a Mona Lisa on wheels.
So did you bring it down to them?
What's that?
You had one job to do, only one. Alright, look guys, we're gonna keep Shaw confining you, but to keep you safe, we need your help. We don't want the syndicate tracking us here, so put away your cameras and turn off your cell phones. One flash or one ringtone will give us away.
Actually, we have to put it away.
Yeah, put it away, put it away, put it away.
Okay, pull into the next video.
All right.